Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the Binance.US exchange, and I'll be showing you exactly how you can purchase some altcoins on this exchange. I will show you the step-by-step process on how to purchase cryptocurrency on Binance.US. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever about Binance.US or buying cryptocurrency, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I answer all my comments, so if you have any questions, drop them below. Also, if you want to sign up for Binance so you can purchase some altcoins, the link will be in the description box below. I also have some other links that you can get some free cryptocurrency, so make sure you check them out. And now let's switch over to the computer screen and buy some cryptocurrency. Let's go. Alright, as you can see, we are inside of my Binance.US account and we have a balance of $1,000. I just made this deposit just to show you how easy it is to buy cryptocurrencies and altcoins on Binance.US. So after you log into your account and you make a deposit, you're going to press buy crypto. Once you press buy crypto, it will take you to this screen. You make sure it says buy instead of sell, and then we are going to enter in $1,000. So for $1,000, we'll be able to get 0.034569 Bitcoin. But we are not buying Bitcoin. We are going to be buying one of my favorite altcoins that I think will do wonders in the next couple of months. So we are going to press the first tab, and in this tab, it will show us all the cryptocurrencies that are available for purchase on Binance.US. This is one of my favorite exchanges simply because they have a ton of altcoins. And we all know once altcoin season comes around, a lot of these smaller, cheaper altcoins will outperform Bitcoin tremendously. A lot of these coins will 5x, 10x, 50x, or even 100x. So in my opinion, it is very lucrative to buy some altcoins and get ready for altcoin season because a lot of money is going to be made. So you're probably wondering, what altcoin are we going to buy? As you can see, we have a ton of variety to choose from. But for this video, we are going to be buying Cardano. Cardano is one of my favorite altcoins ever. I absolutely love this project and I think they're going to do amazingly well in the next couple months. So I'm buying as much Cardano as I possibly can. So once you select the coin that you want to purchase, and then you are going to enter in the amount of money that you are investing in this coin. Since I deposited $1,000, I'll be buying $1,000 worth of Cardano. And for $1,000, I will receive 5,507 Cardano, which is absolutely awesome. And then all you have to do is press buy Cardano. And then it will show us the confirmation. As you can see, we will be getting 5,516.5 Cardanos. We'll be paying with US dollars, and the price of each Cardano is going to be just over 18 cents. The purchase amount is $995, and we are being charged a $5 fee, which in my opinion is extremely low if you compare it to Coinbase or other exchanges. Binance.US has some of the lowest fees out there. So everything looks good. We are going to confirm the purchase. And kaboom, our purchase is complete. So we're going to go back to our wallet. And now in our transaction history, you will see that our buy order has completed. So this means we have successfully purchased $1,000 worth of Cardano. And then we're going to click on our balances, and kaboom, we have $1,000 worth of Cardano. So that is how you purchase altcoins on Binance.US. It is extremely easy. Guys, I'll be making a lot more videos about Binance.US and my altcoin collection. So if you want to know what altcoins I am buying, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'll be releasing a lot more content about altcoins because altcoin season is just around the corner. And if you're looking for those big gains, you gotta subscribe. Also, stay tuned for my next video where I will explain why I'm buying Cardano and why I think it has huge potential in 2021 to be one of the biggest coins. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.